Hello, Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Sabina, with my November 2023 newsletter video blog summary. This November I have continued to heal from my shoulder surgeries, but my right shoulder has been very painful. It's been inflamed and I have struggled to type this blog and edit videos. This November is Islamophobia Awareness Month 2023. And I wrote to the Islamophobia Awareness team, and a lovely young lady called Halima accepted my invitation to conduct an interview and give a presentation about Islamophobia in the United Kingdom. I hope to edit and post those videos soon. I'm just hoping that my right shoulder is healthy enough so I can edit the videos. But many thanks to Halima for her time, for her patience and for her cooperation, and congratulations to the Islamophobia Awareness Month team UK. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording another video next month. Take care. Bye for now. Walaikum assalam. Peace and blessings.